Hello, I am Sameer Deshmukh. I will be speaking about all the club officers' roles and responsibilities. The Toastmasters meeting is hosted by a person called as Toastmaster. The Toastmaster starts a meeting with a theme and takes us through the entire meeting. The Toastmasters conducts the meeting, and every meeting is like joining or riding a train. The Toastmasters presents various themes, and it makes the experience memorable for all the members. There are many club officers who work to make this meeting experience memorable and aid the Toastmasters behind the scene. An officer known as Sergeant at Arms opens the meeting. The Sergeant at Arms shares the mission of the Toastmaster and hands over the meeting to the President. The Sergeant at Arms is entrusted with the responsibility to set up the meeting as well as to start the meeting on a positive note. We are all Toastmasters and we all love to keep the times, and that's what the Sergeant at Arms helps us do that. And as you noticed, all the meetings have an agenda. So who does this agenda? We have got an officer called as Vice President of Education. The Vice President of Education sets up the agenda, sets up various roles, and ensures that members progress through their speech pathways. The Vice President of Education is in charge of all the club contest and is the deputy of the President. The Vice President of Education represents the club along with the President at all the district events. The Vice President of Education shows the traits such as firm resolve and being organized. Come rain or shine, the Vice President of Education will help the members resolve their queries and make them successful in their pathway journey. There is one more officer who is very prominent, that is called as VP of Membership. The VP of Membership ensures that the journey from being a guest to being a member is very smooth. The VP of Membership processes the membership application for the guest to make them a member of the club. Then he or she also ensures that all the guest queries are resolved promptly. So spontaneity, caring for the people are the traits shown by this role. The VP of Membership works hand in hand with another role. It's called as VP of Public Relations, or VP PR as we fondly call it. The VP PR is entrusted with an ability to publicize the club, show everyone what the good the club does, and get the guest to the club meetings. The creativity is the virtue of this role. The VP PR ensures or is kept in charge of all the open houses and all the publicity events. So if you want to unleash your creativity, VP PR role is what you are looking for. The next role which I am going to talk about is the treasurer, who says there is no treasure or no money matters in the Toastmasters. Here is the money, but only for bookkeeping purposes. The treasurer ensures that all the Toastmasters dues are paid in time and keeps the account for the club. The person is interested with keeping a budget or come up with a budget for the entire year, and also have any socials for the club meetings. Another prominent feature or role is the secretary. The secretary is in charge of keeping track of all the minutes of the meeting, be it officers meeting or be it the club meetings. And as the role secretary says, he has to take the minutes of the meeting, share with all the club members so that they don't miss out anything. The secretary also does bookkeeping of all the items the club owns. This role is very important, be if in your Toastmasters life or be in professional life. Last but not least, it's the President. The President is the servant leader position. This is the captain of the ship. This person is responsible for the overall success of the club. Along with all the set of officers, the President works towards the success of the club and represents club at all the district events. The president opens the meeting with a positive note, sets the tone for the meeting, then hands it over to the Toastmasters. He also closes the meeting and makes everyone aware of all the club business or all the business which is happening outside of the club area. And as I said, this is a servant leader position, so it is like jack of all and master of some. So this position works hand in hand with each and every officer. As you've seen, any train cannot go only on one wheel. So this is an entire teamwork. All set of officers work together to give you a memorable experience. We say in the Toastmasters is a place where leaders are made. So this is your opportunity to go ahead and explore your potential and take up on various leadership roles.